Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix if laptops only works when plugged in. So let's get started. Simply right click on Start button, click on Device Manager. Now here you can see the option Batteries. So double click on it, and here you can see two types of adapters. So simply one by one update both adapters. And simply click on Action and click on Scan for hardware change. Now close the window and restart your PC. Your problem will be fixed by following this process. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.